Hello everyone, this is another video regarding Cisco 891 FW. In this video I'm going to show you how to create SVIs on the Cisco router and put some IP addresses on it, and this we're going to use those interfaces and connect several different users, hosts, or whatever you want to call it, to this router and separate them from each other. From the previous video, as you remember, we have configured 5 different VLANs. So based on those VLANs, we're going to create SVIs with corresponding IP addresses. And also we're not going to use a VLAN 1 because this VLAN 1 it exists on all Cisco devices by default, I mean on the switches, and that's why we're not going to use it. We're going to use our VLANs which we already created in the previous video. So just double check what we got. So if we do show VLAN switch command, you'll see how many VLANs we already got. We've got 5 different VLANs. VLAN 1 we're going to shut it down. I mean interface VLAN 1, we're not going to use it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to shut down VLAN 1, interface VLAN 1. Okay, so that's first thing done, and now we're going to create SVIs for every single VLAN we already been created. So first one is interface VLAN 5. We'll give the description, which will be management, and also we will put IP address and we're going to use 10 subnet. Actually, how we're going to do will be like this. And IP and the mask, IP address and the mask. Okay, so we got the IP address and we got the subnet mask. Next thing that we're going to do, we're going to put another command, IP, sorry, not IP, interface okay, let's do it that way, it would be easier. Interface VLAN 10 and we're going to do exactly the same. So IP address 10 10 10 1 255 255 2550. Okay, and next one VLAN 20. Oh, sorry, one more thing I forgot. VLAN 10 description internal. Okay, VLAN 20 IP address 10 10 21 255 0 description guests. Okay, now VLAN 30, description access points, and IP address 10 10 31 255 2550, and the last one 40. Description office, IP address 10 10 40 1 255 255 550. Okay, so let's check what we got. Show IP interface brief. So we've got VLAN 1, which is shut down, and we've got VLAN 5, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40, and also we can check show interface description, and we can see this here: office, access points, guests, internal, and management. So it's always good to put a description. So as you can see it here, we don't have description for this interface, so we can actually add it. So interface gigabit 8, description 1. Or actually we can do primary 1. Okay, so now we should be able to see it. So it's always good to have a description, because when you're troubleshooting, it's much easier to understand what is connected to what. So it's a good idea to have a description on the interfaces. Okay, so we've got that bit done. So now we can move to the next step, but that will be another video. Think you enjoyed that one, and see you on the next one. Thank you.